Yeah, definitely a little hot.
The destination is on your left.
What's up guys, we are here in Sarasota, Florida. We just arrived to RICO'S Pizzeria and I'm here with my boy, Mr. Nathan Figueroa.
What's up guys?
And we are taking on a 12-pound pizza.
I have a feeling it's a true 12-pound pizza.
I think it's gonna be pretty massive too.
Yeah,
but you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this.
Excuse me, man.
Thank you, sir. Got 12 pounds.
We are done. Got a nice crust on there. Check the bottom of that.
Oh yeah.
Nice. That'll be fine.
The pizza is here. We have 12 pounds of pizza. So our toppings, we got ham, we got pineapple, and we got mushrooms. So we're gonna let it cool down for a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and dig in. How you feeling, Nate?
I'm hungry.
Hungry?
Yeah, I'm a little warm too. Where are you filming? Are you filming like back here? It looks like you're pointing the camera.
Nah, bro. I'm in your face.
Oh, shit.
So, okay guys, we have 45 minutes to complete this challenge. And if we do finish it, we get 150 bucks cash, 2 t-shirts. But if we do fail, it is $59.99. So we got some work to
do. 3, 2, 1. Timer has started. And let's go ahead and do this. I'm starting with this little guy right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna how dense this thing is. Huge.
There's a lot of people.
I did forget to mention that Randy Santel is the only winner of this challenge, and I think he did it in 19 minutes. Him and Michael Jenkins.
19 minutes and 29 seconds. Very good job, Michael.
I think we're about halfway.
More than halfway.
Yeah. Pizza has been excellent so far. Pineapple is actually really good. I mean, we got pineapple, but it's really good.
So much like denseness to this.
Don't forget the cheese cake next time.
Oh, good. The last crust. You don't have any crust left.
So we completed the challenge in 17 minutes and 50 seconds. We put in some work, man. Yeah. So that means we do get free t-shirts and we get $150 cash prize. So highly recommend you guys come down to RICO'S, check out the pizza place. It's amazing. The quality was really good. And what do you think of the pizza?
It was good. Now I gotta say something different. Good is just too plain, man.
Phenomenal.
We gotta come on. No, phenomenal. We already used that.
It was muy bueno.
How many synonyms are there for good? Amazing. No, we said amazing. It was stupendous.
Yeah, the pizza was stupendous. So yeah, big thank you to RICO'S and big congratulations to Nate and I.
Congratulate us.
Yes.
Congratulations to us.
Congratulations.
Okay, so I want to thank RICO'S Pizzeria for the awesome pizza. I want to thank Mark for allowing us to come and take on the challenge. And for winning, we get these shirts.
150 bucks.
We get 150
Yeah.
bucks that Nick doesn't get any of. I'm just kidding. You want the money. And then we also got shirts. You got a red one right here.
Yeah.
I got a tie-dye one, kind of like match the whole kitty style. Yeah, but the pizza was awesome. Thank you so much for.
Thank you guys very much.
Yeah.
Very good.
Very
Thank you, Mike.
Thanks for killing it.
Thanks a lot.
And now we got food babies. Oh, you were so
Rock
good.
on.
Got some donuts. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care. See you later.
World record holders at RICO'S Pizza.
Yeah.
All right, Nick. Woo. Second time doing this. So what are we doing now? What's the real challenge here? After beating Randy Santel's time.
Okay, so the real challenge after the...
We beat Randy's time, just say.
After the challenge is to do a kickflip on a 6-pound full belly of pizza, so.
Oh yeah.
You think you got it?
Honestly, it's gonna take me a few tries. I got it, man.
Let's do it.
Good.
Okay guys, so we've been driving around looking for a good parking lot to do a flat ground kickflip, but we did stop at a CVS and I wanted to get a Cadbury egg. Why? Because typically I've been doing a cheat day once per week, and since I just did that pizza challenge, well, since we just did that pizza challenge, and I'm not having a full-blown cheat day, this is gonna be my snack, my dessert, because I saw these at Walmart the other day and I just really wanted one, so cheers, bro.
Oh, I licked mine. Not this side, this side I did. What is in a Cadbury egg? About to find out.
Delicious, cream.
What the hell is this?
This is so good. Okay. Time for the real challenge.
Okay, let's go. First try, Saturday. No warm-up, dude.
All right, let's go.
I'm not gonna probably do it first try, but I'm gonna try.
Yeah.
What? I hate you, dude.
All right, you're up, bro.
I got this, man.
Got it, bro.
You're making fun of me.
I'm not. Yeah.
I did it. All right, we can go now.